and Bridge 1 and 2 and 4 and 5. As they were doing it, I was watching. And I have it at the back of my mind that one day, when the picture will be clear that our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa, will be free to join us again, the whole thing will be clear. All this fallback, all this vagabond and one researcher in France, they have seen the right handing on the wall and they have seen clearly that something is coming up. That is why they don't want to agree with Ogenkere again. Because the way things are going now, it shows that when these people cook up something, especially this one researcher in France, that our leaders said that we should fall back from. Okay, assuming all the Biafrans fall back to Brigi or fall back to whatever they want to fall into. Now look at ourselves now. We look at ourselves as people that, you know, that is you see, the whole thing will be in shambles because Amanepa is not there. You see, these people, the way they deceive their fans and all their efforts, everything they are hammering on, money, 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 money. It shows that these people are criminals. They are scammers. They are there to scam Biafrans. In fact, they don't have anything to offer to Biafrans. I could remember the other day, the one researcher in France was doing a program. I called her on that program. You are mentioning Ngozo Rabu Fulani, Ngozo Rabu Guru Fulani, Kawani. You are mentioning her, calling her all sorts of names. Okay. Now, Ogenkere, you have pushed Ogenkere aside. Now, you one researcher in France. Can you not be a prime minister and let's Biafra move on and so that you'll be, you know, all this noise, all these shenanigans will be over. The woman cut me off. And I happened to call this Biafra Unite the other day. I was talking about the way Finland handled our prime minister's case. That they are biased. I don't know. There's that man, that guy, that chata man, that Biafra Unite. I don't know what that man has swallowed. Or the Golorumbe. The way the man is an invisible man and he is an Mbe man is swallowed. The way he was talking, as if he is eating with the Finland and he is working with the Finland government against our prime minister.
What did he say that made you think like that?
Yes, I told him on his program that the way Finland handle our prime minister's case, they are biased. And this man opened his mouth and said, no, nobody can come to his program and insult the Finland president, that the Finland president is, his hand is not there, his leg is not there, his scrotum is not there too. I was like, what kind of Biafra Unite is this? I said, no, the way they handle it, okay, look at Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. He did not do anything. You went and you broke him from everybody. And you are calling him terrorist. You are okay, at the end of the day, look at the way the whole thing is going. And I'm still telling you, as a Biafran broadcaster, you are defending them so that your hand, your leg, everything is there against our Prime Minister. So in fact, my brother, this Biafra, this our Biafra, if not because of this our Deputy Prime Minister, Madam Ngozo Rabreze, in fact, all of us are in one concom. lady came out, and you look at the way when you see somebody with truth, you will know. You don't need to go to any lab to test it. Look at the way she addressed Biafra, the way she talked, look at everything, just pure. You see? So, in fact, I don't know. And now everybody now they are kitty kitty kata kata.
If you know be
Bam, bam,
Panadol,
bam.
you know if you be like Panadol.
We are running up and down now.
And that is echo now.
Everybody, everywhere in disarray. Okay, kill a jump. Bam, 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 swallow. What is the name? Abarawa. In fact, those people, I'm just watching the movie, watching the way the whole thing is rolling. So, my brother, Biafrans, I want you people to be very happy because we are on a right page with a USB. And look at Nigeria now. After the judgment of Kenya, they quickly rally around and they form one kind of ceremony, one kind of useless ceremony that Buhari is dead. Why they did that is because they knew that when Nnamdi Kanu or Simon Ekpa come out, that same Buhari that arrested, kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya will come to ICC to answer. They don't want that Buhari case. That is why they went there and they went and Nigeria is something else. And in fact, Nigeria is another world. In fact, another continent.
I think that is sense in what you are saying, no.
Yes, they don't want that debris or what they call the name. Now they cannot say it long time ago, and there is a video to prove. Then 2017, that Buhari is dead. Where Biafrans gathered with him, he said, "You know what? Buhari is dead." Because of that, they brought Python dance to finish him up. Now, what is happening? You see, they don't want that to blow those pictures, all those imposters. They knew that if Simon Ekpa come out this second time, oh my God, it will be a terrible something to them. And they knew that if Nnamdi Kanu is released, can win this case. In fact, you hope everything ends. Nigeria will end and Biafra will be on top. That is exactly because a lot of things will take shape after this on the 18th. This no case submission. So my brother, I want to, in fact, thank you that, in fact, the way you analyze things, the way you do it, I'm very, very happy with you. I'm very, very happy with Gelena. I'm very, very happy with Biafra Exodus and Adama and other Biafrans that are promoting things and things are going on well. So I want to encourage you people to continue to, do the right thing and let God go Gadiama bless all of us.
Isen. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for joining us.